Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Oh shit, you've caught me. Right, we're just off to the... Where are we going today, mate? I don't know where we're going.
NEC bike show.
NEC bike show. I forgot because I need food, as always. McDonald's breakfast to start the day. That's what we want, mate, isn't it?
Yep, we do.
So we're going down. We're heading down to Birmingham. So I'll see you down there. You hungry, mate? How's your burger?
Nice.
You didn't realise that cost about
19 quid.
90?
19 quid.
19 quid. I think that's really cheap price, isn't it?
Got it over a barrel, haven't they?
Yeah. Sorry, mate. Hey up, mate.
How are you? How are you?
How you doing? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Enjoyed yourself, mate?
Been alright, do it, yeah.
And I'm going to put sat nav on when I get back in van, mate.
We'll need it.
Yeah, we will, because I just don't know where I'm going.
You don't need to sat nav.
Do you know?
I just showed you a sign back there that said M1.
Well, I've got to find it. We might not come out on that road.
Just follow the road we come in on.
Do you know what though, mate? Can I just say something?
Last time you followed the sat nav, we ended up going through Centre Huddersfield, hitting all that traffic.
Can I just say something, mate?
And the morning
You
turned
know,
into a bloody afternoon.
You know, just because you're a lorry driver,
Yeah.
you don't mean you know where you're going.
But I do.
No, you don't, because everywhere you go, you have to avoid big bridges.
You're in a bloody van, so you don't have to avoid bridges.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So your routes will be to avoid big bridges.
Bungie, I know we haven't sparred for a long time, and I haven't got energy to spar with you now, so it ain't happening. Don't try and get me into an argument.
Mate, it won't be an argument because I'm driving the van. You'd just be walking home.
I'll film a lift.
Anyway, I've had a good day.
Been alright, mate, yeah.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it, mate. It's been great. Right, so I've just got in from Motorcycle Live 2022. Was a good day, great day. My mate Bill enjoyed it, BJ, as we call him. So we enjoyed it. Good to meet you as well, Dale. I'm obviously falling asleep because it's been a really long day. But Dale, yeah, good to have a little chat with you, mate. I know you saw all the people that you knew, so you shot off. But really good to see you, mate, as always. And Steve, Cartwheels, and Kay. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see you because you had to shoot off. Hopefully, you've enjoyed this little video. It's not been much. It's been quite hard actually because there's been quite a lot of people there. People were just getting on and off the bikes, and you just sort of like, you couldn't really sit on many either because there was that many people there, and it's like, I think if I did it again I won't be going on a Saturday first day because it's a bit of a nightmare. I did find that there was probably more people there this year. There was a lot more stores selling merchandise, helmets, clothing, things like that. But yeah, all in all, it was a good day, very good day. Didn't get as much footage as I'd like to have done, but hopefully this video just gave you a flavour of that anyway. So, but remember guys, don't matter what you do, where you go, who you are, every day is an adventure. Crazy apps.